I'm gonna start putting away my Halloween decor, and I just wanted to show you, this is a bin, and this is things that I have for Halloween that I did not use. I have a lot of kitchen towels that I bought last year. They're so pretty. I did not use them all. I have pillow covers. This pillow cover, my daughter usually uses this one, but we didn't use it this year. But everything that's in here, actually, I want to keep. I'm gonna start putting away things. Look, I even had more creepy cloth that I never even opened. So, and then I had this cauldron that I got last year. It's plastic. But since I had bought the other one from Target this year, which is not plastic, I didn't use this one, but this one's still good, and we can always use it again for another year. Look at this, guys. I definitely decorated more last year. Even this little truck that I love, I found him last year at Walmart. I didn't bring him out. I didn't bring him out this year. Let me see if I can try. I'm trying to do this with one hand. How cute. So he totally is like Halloween vibes to me because of the black pumpkins. But then the back license plate says Happy Thanksgiving, which doesn't scream Thanksgiving to me. But I did not use him this year. Oh yeah, and I have another box of Halloween decor that I didn't use this year. I did go through all of this last year. Goodness. I don't know what I'm saying, guys. I'm sorry. It's Saturday morning. It's still early. Haven't had my coffee yet either. So there's that. But what I wanted to say was I did go through this when I was pulling out my decor to decorate this year. And I just didn't want to use all of this year, but I am not getting rid of it. There's a lot of good stuff in here. And you could see I kept things wrapped. I did, like I said, go through this, and I said I do not want to get rid of this stuff because my hope is these are black trees that I bought on clearance, not last Halloween, but the Halloween before. Was it Halloween? Yeah, I think it was after Halloween. It was on major clearance. They were starting to put out Christmas stuff at Michael's, and I got those. I got 2 black trees, and they're so cute, but I didn't use them this year. I used them last year, but not this year. So it is my hope that when I move and I have a bigger place, I have more space to decorate. And so, yeah, these are all great items that I have. I will not be getting rid of them. I could probably get rid of these Dollar Tree signs. I'll probably get rid of these, but that's about it. So let me tell you guys what my plans are for Christmas. I have decided that I am not going to be decorating anytime soon. I know that that is uncommon in the YouTube world, but I just want to take things a little slower. I want to enjoy my fall decor a couple of weeks more. I definitely plan on having my Christmas tree up after Thanksgiving. That's what we always did growing up. And I'm just going to go back to that. I don't want to rush things. I feel like on YouTube and social media, everything is super rushed, and I get it. It's mostly to give you all ideas, and if you want to buy something, you see something in one of our videos, you want to go get it. But I don't really consider myself a normal YouTuber or influencer. I'm new at this, so this is a hobby, as I've mentioned many times, and I do hope that I can inspire you guys to use decor that you already have from previous years, recycle, upcycle. Times are kind of crazy right now, so I don't encourage unnecessary spending. But if you do go buy things, as I do, I'm always going to encourage you to buy on sale or clearance, or just sticking to a reasonable budget. I feel like a lot of things have gone up in price. I mean, I know we know the food and the gas and all that stuff has gone up, but home decor as well. And so I guess it just all depends on your circumstance and where you're at in your life right now, what season you're in. I am not in a season to be spending unnecessarily. So I'm very careful about what I'm buying. But yes, I still buy. I still find things that I enjoy and I really want. But I keep things in perspective as well. So anyway, all that to say that you're not going to see a lot of, like new things in my decor. I use a lot of things from many years, and then a couple of new ones every year as well. So my plan is I will be decorating after Thanksgiving. If I do anything before, of course, I will bring you guys along. I hope that you guys are okay with that and that you still stick around for the videos that I am uploading, which by the time you see this one, you've already seen my Shop With Me video that I kicked off the Christmas 2022 season with. And then I have another video already filmed. I need to edit that one, but that's going to be showing you a haul of the things that I've gathered. And then I might have one other Shop With Me and haul video after that as well. So I hope you guys stick around for those. And if you are like me and still enjoy watching fall content, you're not ready for Christmas just yet, I will leave my fall playlist below, as well as my Vlogtober playlist, just in case you still want to see some fall content. And then as a reminder, I will be doing a Christmas card exchange this year again. My mailing address will be below, so I hope you guys participate. I think it'll be fun. I have so many new subscribers here, so I would love to be able to send you guys a card. But if you can't, that's quite all right. Let me know in the comments below where you're watching from. All right, I am done. This is all of my Halloween decor. I have 2 bins jam-packed. I tried my best to, pack it in there as much as I could because I did not want to have another bin. So I'm pretty proud of myself. I had 3 bins last year when I put everything away. Now this, I'm just going to put it away like this. And as you saw in the previous clip, I just stacked up my cauldrons and that's it. And this is my witch wreath. So this is gonna go on the top shelf in the closet. Easy peasy, that is it. And we're good. Now I can just enjoy my fall decor a little bit longer before Christmas. It's time to say goodbye to these as well. They will be put away until next year. If you guys didn't see, I did do a haul. Well, not a haul really, but just showing you all my Halloween mugs at the beginning of the fall season. Yeah, so go check out that video. And then I'm thinking I'm gonna do a Christmas one too. I mean, if you guys are into mugs like I am, I know there's quite a few of us out there in the internet world that do appreciate these things. So I love my mugs. I'm gonna put them away now, and then we'll see Santa mugs shortly.